Very, very special for you right now. Judge Andrew Napolitano is on the phone with us. He's with us because he just left Trump Tower. We're very proud of the judge, a regular, a stalwart on our program, and he was invited to speak with the president-elect this morning and is with us now on the phone. Judge Napolitano, what can you tell us about why you were there and what you spoke to Mr. Trump about?
Stuart, I can tell you that the president-elect has begun to concentrate on the selection of a nominee to replace Justice Scalia on the Supreme Court. And he was interested in a broad range of ideas and attitudes about the type of person who would best fill Justice Scalia's seat. And that is essentially what we spoke about in the hour that I was privileged to spend with him.
You spent an hour with Donald Trump this morning talking about the Supreme Court.
Believe it or not, yes. Now, it was a freewheeling conversation in which many other topics came up, not the least of which was his expectation that the Dow will hit 20,000 very soon. But the vast bulk of what we spoke about was the intellectual, ideological, temperamental qualities that he should seek in a replacement for Justice Scalia. Forgive me, I'm a little out of breath from running.
Look, we're very glad that you're on the show and that you chose to come back and appear on this particular show. I have to ask you, did the president-elect mention Varney and Company at all? Because we have supplied an awful lot of cabinet members from this show.
The president-elect was extremely praiseworthy of Fox News Channel and Fox Business Network without mentioning individual shows by name. But I am certain, since I saw a nearby television screen, that he watches Varney and Company.
I'm laughing because I'm very, very happy to hear this, by the way. It must be a really exciting mood to be going up in the golden elevators right there in Trump. We call it, as you know, Judge, we call this White House North. It must be a really electric atmosphere.
It was electric, to put it mildly. I arrived a half an hour early. He came out to greet me, and he said, "You know what? I'm doing a photo shoot. I want you to accompany me." And I accompanied him and the vice president on a photo shoot somewhere in the bowels of the building. And then we went back upstairs and continued our conversation. It was truly a remarkable experience, Stuart.
I just want to sum it up.
One for which I don't even know if I'm worthy, but I saved every minute of it.
Well, I just want to wrap this up with you held a one-hour conversation on many, many subjects with the president-elect, and you focused in on whom should be nominated to succeed Justice Scalia on the Supreme Court.
Not whom, but what are the characteristics of the person who will be.
Fascinating. Judge, congratulations. It is a great honor to be invited to Trump Tower at this moment in time, and we're so pleased for you and so glad that representing our program, you were there. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, my dear friends, and if we don't see each other, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Oh, we'll see each other. I guarantee that. Thank you, Judge.